Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel video. First, clearly define your video's purpose and who you want to reach. Next, outline the specific Excel features or tasks you plan to demonstrate. This helps keep your content focused. Finally, prepare your Excel workbook with all the necessary data and examples ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth recording process. Now, let's talk about recording. Select a reliable screen recording software to ensure clear visuals. When setting up, focus your recording area specifically on the Excel window you'll be using. During your demonstration, remember to speak clearly and at a moderate pace. This makes it easy for viewers to follow along with your instructions and understand each step. After recording, it's time to edit. Trim out any unnecessary pauses or errors to create a polished presentation. Consider adding text overlays or arrows to highlight key Excel elements, drawing your viewers' attention to important details. You can also incorporate subtle background music at a low volume to enhance engagement without distracting from your instructions. Finally, export and share your creation. Export your video in a common format, such as MP4, for broad compatibility across platforms. Optimize your video settings to achieve a good balance between quality and file size, ensuring a smooth viewing experience for everyone. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This will help you share your Excel knowledge effectively with a wider audience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.